Hi guys, and welcome back to this edition. This is day 6 and 7 I believe. So we're just getting the roof on, putting the furrings on now. You can see Joe fixing them to the top. We're going to ply this out, then put a vapour control layer on top of the ply, then topped off with 120mm PIR Celotex or similar, and then 18mm ply on top. Right, what are we doing? Ply this out now? Yep. Right, if I use ply from this side, alright, we can use that if you want, but you're using that as a, like, somewhere to stand on. Yeah, alright, yeah, move it up here then. Make sure when you ply that you stagger the joints. Just keeps the whole roof nice and strong then. You won't have any weak spots that can transfer down into the plasterboard and you get a long crack. Not ideal, that. Been so lucky for the middle of January with this weather. These are sort of friends of ours who we're doing this for, so I sort of said save them £4.5 on a tin hat or an up and over scaffold, that we do it without it, which I don't usually do, to be fair. Yeah, lovely. It's safer to work up here then, isn't it? Do that bit. You look like Bambi on ice. Usually we'd have a scaffold all the way around, but next door were moaning. Didn't want it in their garden and that, so just having to be very, very careful, and just taking our time on this one. Yeah, we got 120mm insulation go on top, and then more ply. Because the ply is from America, it's 1220mm wide by 2440mm long. So we've spaced our timbers so that it works for 1200 by 2.4 plasterboard. So you have to trim them down. Watch your fingers.
Lift the no.
Right, it's all first fixed. Ready for the Sparky on Tuesday. So he's going to come and run all his wires, boxes, things like that, and then we can start insulating. Got 2 Veluxes going there. Roofers are in Monday, so get that done. Just going to finish the flat roof now. Put the insulation out on it, and then block up that there, and then yeah, off to finishing it. What a morning. A bit frosty, but at least it's not raining. Right, moment of truth. Does it fit? Like a glove. We've got all the insulation cut and laid out on the deck,
Lovely.
and then we'll put the vapor
Perfect.
control layer down because it's quite slippery and you end up kicking it all up, walking all over it. Why don't you, no, instead of doing that, why don't you turn it round and cut it in that way? Yeah, otherwise you've got that thin strip, it looks shit. All done, ready for felting.